Okay, greetings. I'm Mr. B. Welcome to logging into the simulator. Now, I've already done the code, so I'm at the main page of the simulator. As you can see, we have a number of different areas we can go to. We're going to start off today going to the city environment because this is your challenge number 2. Now, in this challenge, after you've launched it, you are going to simply take a peek at the city. Now, you start here and you can zoom all the way in and see your drone here on the landing pad. And then if you zoom out, you'll see that there are 4 big buildings that each have a landing pad. And then if you zoom around the city, there are other places you can land. But for today, we're going to start with just landing on one of these 4 buildings. Okay, so you're going to need to write your code to go up and then left, right, forward, backward, whichever building you decide to go to. Okay, and then test your code. So what you're going to do is start a new code over here in your block. Make sure you're already logged in. And then you can access your code and you can save it. And then you'll be able to access it from your Chromebook or the iPad to be able to run the code on your real drone if you need to. But for now, we're just going to stay inside the simulator. That's where we're at. And then what I want you to be able to do is take off. So use the takeoff command. You're going to use a navigation tool. You're going to need a fly up, fly forward, and then a landing. What you're going to need to find out is how far forward and how far up you're going to go. Okay. Now, if you want, you can use the grid to help you out a little bit. If you want to zoom in a little bit to get a better idea of how far it might be from point A to point B, you can use the measuring tool if you want to, there to here, if you want to do that as well. Okay, so you have an option to check it. And then once you're play, got what you need, give it a test, see how far you go, see what happens. If you screw it up, make sure that you reset. And you see we've just barely, not even got off the landing pad at 20. So reset it, change your values, okay, and give it a whole nother round and see if you can land on top of one of those 4 buildings. That is your first challenge. If you have any questions, ask Mr. B or your teacher. Otherwise, also make sure you are saving your projects, okay, and all your missions. So click on the 3 lines, save mission as. You're going to call this first project, okay? That's what it needs to be called. If you have any questions, ask your teacher. Have a great day. I'm Mr. B.